Hi, lovely family. Welcome back to my channel. Here is the Say Hairstyle into bracket frizoring. Yeah. And my name is Deborah. And if today is the first time you are stopping by, thank you so much. In this channel, I do kids hairstyle, as you can see here. Yes. So if you are here, it's not by an accident. For your little ones, you're going to get more hairstyles for them so that they will look so good. So with this hairstyle, I have to prep my girl's hair. It's already washed. So this, I use my spray bottle to spray for moisture and also add my hair butter. Yes. So I comb a little. So when you do that, you have to be gentle on her scalp so it doesn't pain. And with this, I use a bigger comb to part the sections so that it will be easy for me and also for her. And after that, I use a smaller one and my control edge paste to also make the patterns neat. So with this hairstyle, I divided into 4 sections. This is an old braid, or let's say wool, because I'm using a thread. It's an old wool that I am using. So you can use any, if it is old or if it is new, you can use it. Yes. So with this hair, I divided into 4 sections, as I said, and every section I divide it into 3. So in all, I had 12 braids. Yes. So I'm starting with this. You can just look at it and then you will get it. It's so simple. And I love this threading hairstyle because it helps straighten my girl's hair. And after also braiding, you see that the hair has really grown well, because with this you are going to secure everything inside. You not see her hair outside, let's say for the sun or anything, for it to get dry. It's secure inside the thread. Yes, so I love it so much. Very often, more often, you will see me doing threading hairstyles for her. I love it so much after those hairstyle, and she looks so good in it. Yes, so this is the second braid, and the process is so simple. So you just look at it and then you are good to go, and you get to know how to do it so well. Yes. So if you like what I'm doing here, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and be part of this family. We love you so much. Yeah. Okay, so thank you all so much for my subscribers too. You keep me going. My viewers, thank you so much. And also, I appreciate everything, the comments and also the share, the likes. I like it so much, but I want it more. Yeah. So if you've not subscribed, kindly do so for me. Thank you so much. I will leave you here so that you continue the to watch to the end and see how the hair goes like. Yes, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this hairstyle on your little one. And after the end, how did you see the hair on my girl? Okay, so kindly drop your comments into the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy to the end. See you in my next video. Bye bye. thank you so much for watching to the end. God bless you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.